these young women came in, and speaking of the 4 seniors, and then obviously Cinnamon joined them later. We went from 4 wins to 17 wins, and their freshman year they won 17 games, and they haven't looked back. We sold them on what they could be, and I think we had to keep reminding them on what they could be when they maybe didn't see the light or wanted to kill me, one or the two. But it's gonna sound cliche. It still hasn't hit me. It probably won't hit me. I mean, I don't know when it'll hit me. Everybody, yeah, I don't know when it'll hit me. But this group, and this is another reason why I wanted them all up here. Statistically, as far as wins in the season, as far as what they've accomplished over the course of this season, this is the best team in school history, period. And there's no disrespect to anybody. We respect the tradition of our program. We embrace it. We've had more alums involved in our program in the last couple of years than ever. And I don't think that they would take it as disrespect, but this group of young women have worked their tails off. They sacrificed, they've cried, they've bled, but they are standing here as the best team to ever play at Cal State Northridge.
At the half, it's CSUN 27, Hawaii
20. We practice like finishing over height and getting into the body, and so I think that really helped us because we go full speed in practice, and then it helps in the games. And like we didn't let them blocking our shots discourage us, and we just kept attacking. Like we never gave up. Practice, we work on putting bigger players on the rim and protecting the ball. And at first, we were coming out just showing the ball and obviously getting blocked. And then second half, we made an adjustment. And it just goes down to like never giving up. Like just continue to attack. Don't get discouraged from people blocking you all the time. So when we play, how we practice, where we were able to put the ball in the rim or draw fouls and get N1s.
Final score, Northridge 67, Hawaii 60. CSUN is the 2015 Midwest Conference Women's Basketball Tournament champion.
They'll get a day off. Ashley says it won't feel like a day off, but they'll get a day off tomorrow to enjoy everything that they've earned up until this point, and then regroup so that we can prepare to finish off the goals that they set at the beginning of the year.
Any predictions?
None whatsoever. I predict that we will be playing in the tournament and we will play extremely hard.